Welcome back to another quick guide. Today, we'll walk you through how to find missing app icon on Android. To find the missing app icon on Android, follow these steps. First, check the app drawer. Swipe up on the home screen to open the app drawer and search for the missing app. Use the search bar. In the app drawer, use the search bar at the top to type the app's name. Look in Hidden Apps. Long press on the home screen. Tap Home Settings. Tap on Hidden Apps. And check for Hidden Apps. Restart your phone. Press and hold the power button, then tap Restart to refresh your system. Check if the app is disabled. Go to Settings, Apps and Notifications, or App Management. Then, See All Apps or App List. Find the app, tap on it, and enable if disabled. Reinstall the app. If the app is missing, open the Google Play Store, search for it, and tap Install. Factory Reset. If the app is still missing, back up your data and go to Settings, System, Reset Phone, Factory Reset, or erase all data. Following these steps should help you find or restore your missing app icon. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.